Hey, when you're cooking, or should I say when you're baking, what do you prefer to use to keep your items from sticking to the pan? Do you like non-stick spray? We all use that. Do you like silicone mats? Guys, I've had this one for probably 5 or 6 years. Well worn, as you can see. Here's another one. Don't cut pizza on your silicone mat because it tears it up. But I paid almost nothing for these on Amazon. I got a set of 4 of them. I will put the link in the description box. But these are washable. It comes right off without a problem. Or you could go to parchment paper. One use, toss it, and you're good to go. What do you like the best? Let me know.